Hello, everyone. My name is Jason Glye. I'm the VP of Marketing, Events, and Education here at ReMA, and I'm here to give you a short tutorial of the ReMA Connect app as it relates to engaging at ReMA 2026 in Las Vegas. We hope to see you there. But if you're watching this, most likely you're already coming because you want to know how to get in and use the app. Um, You've already received instructions via your email if you're registered on how to get into the app and how to access it. And at this point, we're sitting at the home screen of the ReMA app. You'll notice the first thing you're going to do is actually select the ReMA 2026 event. So we'll go ahead and do that, which is going to bring you into your home screen. It may take a minute while it downloads information if it's your first time doing it, but don't be alarmed. It'll drop you right in. And then the first thing you're going to see here at the very, very top is your own personal information. So this is your account within the app. So you can let's click on that and take a look. So it's got your profile. You can change your password. You can unlink. But one of the things I want everyone to understand is this is where you manage your preferences, where you manage what everyone within the app and can see about you, whether it's your email address, your phone number, your website, what have you, what appears in that directory. So we're going to hit manage, and you'll see here a list of things that you can toggle on and off. You'll notice I have everything on right now. Number one, I do want to appear in the directory. I do want my email displayed. I do want to be available for direct messaging. I do want to receive event notifications. I want to be able to receive private messages, and I want upcoming session reminders. So all of those things mean that my app is going to be optimized for maximum usage. But if you don't want your email addresses displayed or you don't want to appear in the social directory, it's totally within your power to do so. And this is where you can turn all those things on and off. We're going to go back to the home screen now. Now the first thing, the first thing you're going to come to is the schedule. We have an extremely powerful scheduling tool at your fingertips. Here's a full list of the schedule, right? So it has everything from Saturday all the way through Thursday night, the Thursday night final celebration. So there's a lot of information here. But one of the things you can do is we have a very, very, very powerful filtering tool. So you come in here and hit filters. Make sure everything's cleared out first. And then you can see you can just filter by day, you can filter by track, you can filter by subject matter. We have a very comprehensive list of subjects you can search by, and you can also filter by commodity. All of these filters are not mutually exclusive. You can turn several of them on and several of them off. So if I want to look for something in trade, but it's only I got to make sure it relates to let's say Ferris. I'm going to hit apply. And here are those things that hit both those filters. We got the metal markets spotlight. We got policy pulse, changing Asian markets, and a spotlight on trade and globalization. And if I want to look for something else, I can come in here and I can just hit clear, and it brings me back to the home screen. The other thing you can do is you can select and kind of create your own personalized schedule this way. So all of our schedule menu items have this little calendar with the check mark, and that's how you add it to your selected schedule. So I want to make sure that I got to make sure I hit that member committee meeting. Hold on. There we go. There we go. And what else do I want to make sure I hit? Let's see. I got to hit that education and training committee meeting because I'm on that too. The ReMA live stage. I've already been in here and selected a few things. The grand opening, the fun run Tuesday morning. And so I've gone through the schedule and I've kind of selected things I want to make sure I hit. You can also do that with filtering too. So, and then you can hit your selected button and boom. It brings up only the selected items that you picked to create that personalized schedule.
And to turn them off, you just simply click them again, and they'll drop off your selected schedule. So my selected schedule is now empty because I don't have anything selected. You also have the ability to click on those and add notes if you wish to. You come in here and clear the filters again, and we're back to our home screen with nothing selected and a clean schedule to work off of. We're going to go home. Next item, speakers.
So say I'm not sure what session they're on or what exactly they've been tapped to speak about, but I do know I want to make sure you know what I'm really good friends with Dave Bestwick, and I got to make sure that I hit his session
To show my support, hit Dave Bestwick, and boom. There's the session he's going to be on, and I can immediately add it to my selected schedule without even going to the scheduling tab. So I'm just going to hit that up, and when I go back to the scheduling tab and it's selected, it'll show up in that schedule. Deselect that right now. And same with all of our other speakers. If they're speaking on 2, 3 panels, it'll all be underneath their name, so you won't have any problem finding them. Notifications. During the course of the event, ReMA staff will sometimes send out notifications about special things going on, changes in timing, changes in rooms, uh, big name speakers and sessions coming up real soon. All of that will be in the notifications panel. You have your personalized dashboard where you can see notifications, your personal agenda if you've selected some things, any conversations you're having in direct messaging. FAQs. This links you directly to the website version of the FAQs, which has all the general information about the convention and can answer most common questions about hours, locations, um, rates, timings, hotel information, payment information, you name it. A lot of it's already in here. All right, we got it. I'm gonna skip a couple things, but I'm gonna go through kind of some highlights for you. So attendees. This is the full list of attendees that have been loaded into the app, okay? Which means they're all registered and they're coming. So if someone has their email address displayed or their phone number, this is where you can find that information. But then again, it's within each individual's power to turn those things on and off. So let's scroll down here and see. Yeah, Hari's been hard at work on his profile already. He's loaded his picture in. Let's take a look. See, I can click on, he has direct messaging turned on, so I can send him a message straight from here. He also has his email address available. So if I wanted to email him, I could do that too. And he has his phone number. And if you're on your phone, all of this information, you can immediately initiate contact. Let's scroll down and let's take a look. Let's take a look at me. There I am. And as you can see, I don't have my phone number in here, but I do have my website and my email address available, and you can immediately initiate contact with me via my email if you'd like. I also have my LinkedIn account in here, which you can also put in. So, and you can also come up here, use that, and add people to your contacts. You can also put a star on it if you want. If it's someone you want to save, or be able to get, or be able to hold on to, or find easily. Direct messaging. Again, this is if you have it turned on. You can see here that I've already received one direct message, but to see everyone on the list and see if you wanted to direct message someone, you come up here and click this icon on the top right-hand corner. And this will give you a list of everyone that you can direct message within the app. This is all within the app. So I want to If you have direct messaging turned on, you can select someone, boom. I can send Andy Goldie a message directly from this app. And it will send him a notification within his app and he can respond. You got a full list of exhibitors. Here again, this can help you navigate the floor because you can filter exhibitors by, you can add notes. And if you're looking for certain services or certain equipment, we have a very, very comprehensive list. All the different services available within the recycling operations industry for you to choose from. And these are not mutually exclusive. You can choose several at a time and hit apply, and it'll give you a list. So I'm going to go with, let's see here. I want various shredder systems. I want, let's say, I'm just going to go find shredder. I'm going to hit apply. Okay, and these are all the different organizations that provide consulting services about shredding as well as shredding equipment, at least that have self-identified that they do so. And so it has their booth number location, so you can come through here, take a look about which ones you want to go visit, and plot out your make your plan. Come in here, and then again I can clear the filters and come back to the full list. We have a thank you to our sponsors. Again, it takes you to our full comprehensive list of sponsors. Please make sure you go visit them on the expo hall floor. And then under event logistics, we have some of your regular information about what to convention attire based off the weather, our antitrust and code of conduct. Please review that. Event details like hours and registration details, weather, and also a link for places to eat around Vegas if you'd like some assistance with that. I hope you've enjoyed this little tutorial of the ReMA Connect app and the ReMA 2026 event. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are really excited to have you in Vegas. Thanks.